And today on Curiosity Killed That Pussy. Yeah, I know, the meme is probably old by the time I post this. Well, Curiosity Killed the Pussy, definitely. I came across these wonderful things on my way to work. You may know them as robots in South Africa or traffic lights. And, well, this is a natural occurrence. It's like fruit falling from a tree. Because in South Africa, well, let's see, you can get a license here very easily. You either pay 1,500 Rand, which is about $20 to the licensing center, and you will get your driver's license. Or, you know, if you drive drunk, which is the national pastime, and you get pulled over by the police, if he's one of the many corrupt officials, you either pay him there, or he gets in your car, drives you to the ATM where you withdraw a certain amount of money, and he wishes you much luck further. If he's honest, he'll take you to jail where you will pay your bribe there and then escape. Yeah, I know I'm pessimistic, right? But unfortunately, this is the truth of South Africa. It's the Wild West. So that's why I decided to pick these up, because on my way to work, a individual decided to, instead of going around the corner, he went straight over the island, took out the robot, and, well, he drove off. That's it. And he left behind this destruction lying all over the road. And before somebody drove over it, puncturing their tire, or, you know, creating any further chaos, I decided to pick this up. Whatever was broken, I swept onto the sidewalk, where a gentleman was already helping himself to the strands of copper cable as well as the steel structure that was the traffic light. I know, in South Africa we recycle everything. No waste is left behind. And I was always curious, what exactly is in these things? You know, back in the day it was light bulbs which got stolen. But now incandescent light bulbs are illegal to purchase in South Africa, so sorry, I couldn't help myself. So, took one of them, opened them up. There's only 4 screws, and this is what the inside looks like. Okay, nice little lens, dispersion, and I think this is the yellow light. Yeah, must be. You took that out, and this is what's inside. A couple of LEDs. Now, obviously, these will be 12 volt, and unfortunately, I don't have any tools to open this further, because my tools are in storage. They are in storage because the house is being sold. The house is being sold because of separation of assets. Yeah. Never mind. So yeah, LEDs, 12 volts. Not bad actually. Should be easy enough to draw these out and put these somewhere, and the LEDs should be of reasonable quality. Well, I'm guessing, because this plate is also a heatsink for them. But now what to do with them? Can't recycle them. And I've got standing man, and a walking man. Now, the standing men, so those must be red LEDs, which I suppose in my forthcoming venture of a mobile brothel would be, yeah, hear me out. You buy yourself one of those big Mercedes Vito buses, you know, the 12-seaters, you take the seats out, you put mattresses down, and you get some reputable ladies, well-built, young, obviously, or old, depending on preference, and you take these fleets of buses to the local baseball or soccer stadium, wait outside, and obviously position yourself for the winning team, because those guys are in a good mood and willing to spend some money. If you wish to do this, by all means, you may pay me a bit of royalty for the idea. Thank you very much. Hey, what can I say? We're in South Africa. It's the Wild West. You can do whatever you want. Never mind. I'll think of some sort of thing. Maybe I'll hook it up to my alarm system. You know, red for it's armed, stay your ground. It's on duty. Green, you're off duty, you can go. Yeah. Again, I'll start making some more videos once I've moved into my new place in the coming months. And I've recovered from this ordeal. Till next time. Goodbye.